sweater's gonna start on fire, so just be careful. No. Just don't lean against it. It's on.
I'm talking and my hair is on flames.
That happened to my sister.
Oh.
She was leaning against the stove and she caught on fire. So it wasn't major. So we tackled her. I think my mom tackled her. She was making ramen. I remember all this. I think she might have been pregnant. Tammy, were you pregnant? She tackled her because all of a sudden we just see flames up her back. Her like sweater or something caught on fire. She was fine.
Did she have to roll?
I think she got tackled enough that
So
she
they
was
just,
okay.
you just
Yeah.
like patted it out?
Yeah, so I'm a little paranoid of that.
My hair caught on fire one time when my brother worked at, this is like 150 years ago. My hair was in a braid and my brother had given me a candle, and so I was leaning over, my mom was lighting it. And I mean, I was little and I had hair like down to my butt. And so I leaned over to look in the candle or to watch her, and the end of my braid fell in it and it just went and it started and I'm like, ah! And so I run, and of course the flames, like, you know, it gets bigger with when you add, you know, whatever. So my mom gets up and grabs me, grabs that thing, and I was like, you know, but it put it out, and I mean, she only had to cut off.
You didn't stop, drop, and roll.
No, I was running from it. Don't run from fire.
Don't run when your hair's on fire.
When it's on.
This is Retail Therapy, by the way. Hi.
Welcome.
That was the pre-show. So today we are reviewing the perfect pancake maker, or what did Amazon call it? The pancake mold, perfect mold.
They called it,
the
pancake mold ring. I don't know that's, I mean, probably not a catchy name. Anything that has to do with food and mold.
Oh.
Like my Lincoln is terrified of moldy food.
Really?
I mean, seriously, if he sees something that even looks like it's mold, he's out.
Really?
Yeah.
Did they have a traumatic experience at an old lady's house?
No.
With donuts? That was just me.
That was probably
So this has the word mold in it. This is a pancake mold that's supposed to make 7 pancakes at once.
It is $6.99. Did you say that already?
Yep. No, I didn't.
$6.99, and customer reviews say it sucks.
Yeah.
Do not buy, doesn't work. 0 stars is too much. So, wait, what am I spraying? That?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna spray everything.
Okay. Now spray the top.
Okay.
Oh, except you gotta leave the little handles out, right?
The flippies.
The flipper dippers. You want to pour them in? Okay, I'm gonna show her pouring it in.
Oh. More than that? I think that's good.
No, that looks good.
I guess it kind of has kind of a little lip on it. You can kind of see in the bottom, which is what is going to make it so it flips. So you're going to have to make sure that you fill enough to cover that edge.
Yeah. I feel like you're super like morning show cook right now.
I do too.
Like how you really had an expert tip just then.
That
was impressive.
So,
but I can see where if your batter was too thin, this is not going to work.
Yeah, and I kind of
this might be good.
anticipated that. So that's
Look
why
at you being smart.
That's why 3 cups of Bisquick is going to make 6 pancakes. These are going to be girthy pancakes.
Sorry, I might have laughed a little too hard at that. Okay, so I guess I should.
I feel like I'm going to regret this. I thought it would be more solid.
Yeah, it's
shoot! I'm scared. Okay, wait.
Oh no!
Okay, I just don't know what they want from me right now.
I don't know.
I'm gonna flip
Stick your fingers in the X's. Okay.
Okay. You're gonna try the next round.
How do you get them out? I think we need to poke them through the layer. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is biscuits.
We made biscuits.
We made Oh.
Okay.
Sorry. Close up on Jamie's toe covered in pancake batter.
Okay.
Look at these. These pancakes are like, they all melded together and they're just super thick.
Like why? What is this? And there was somebody out there that said that this is a better way.
That's the thing about all these products. Okay, look at this. Why? We just lost half our pancake.
Because let's get crazy and just make a normal one without that.
Yeah. Not very good pancake flipper in general.
See, there's no screwing it up. It gets so cut and
You
dried.
don't have to think about it. You just do it. You don't have to push things through holes. pancake. We thought you might be tired of looking at a pan of pancakes over this hole.
Instead of this.
You want all this, not this. Stupid. Okay, why? A, it's not perfect because the top all came off in the maker. Like you said, someone was like, let's invent a product that makes pancakes perfectly circular. Is that the whole point, or is it that they think they can't make multiple pancakes?
And let's be honest, is this perfectly circular?
No. I went to a Scout banquet the other night, couple nights ago.
Blue and gold.
The blue and gold, thank you. Okay. You know how you meet moms and you're like, you're one of my kind?
Mm-hmm.
So,
did you meet one?
I did. Because, the boys were supposed to bring a cake that was like magic themed, right? I get there, it's people cut in half into a cake. It's top hats with bunnies coming out of them. It's Harry Potter, like these were like gorgeous cakes. The one on my table was this nice circular round cake with the words abracadabra on it. And I'm like, yes.
That's our kind of person.
That is my kind of person. Well, the girl happened to be sitting there and I'm like, that's the best cake. And she was like, yeah, I just don't really care. And I was like, can we be friends?
Please.
And then, because she said if you cut the cake open, sprinkles actually come out. So it's like, that was the magic. I'm like, cut it open so people can see, because it was like a voting thing. She's like, yeah, I just don't really care. Like, yes! Those are the people that I can be friends with.
And for all the jerks who went for the bigger, better looking cake, missed the sprinkles.
You missed the sprinkles on the inside, because that is what counts. Life lessons.
Yep, there you go.
Not to say that, and not that I'm bad-mouthing people that do big things, because
Good for them.
Good for them.
It just isn't.
It's just that I can't, so I'm a little jealous and want to be friends with the people that don't make me feel bad.
But we're going to chalk it up to the fact that we just don't want to be superficial.
It's the sprinkles on the inside that count.
Oh,
Thanks.
That is so sweet.
Namaste.
Clearly.
And we watched Jamie try her first pancake batter, so it was a beautiful moment all around.
Oh my gosh, I cannot even know that you just did that.
Really? Okay, I won't do it.
I can do a whole cake raw
Really?
at any given moment.
But not pancake batter?
Why? Now I'm curious.
Try it!
I bet it just tastes like flour, does it?
No, it has this weird, like, stingy taste. Like battery acid, but in a good way. Just kidding. Just try it.
Ew.
Oh my gosh, just try it. It's good, huh?
I don't like the aftertaste.
But you know what I'm talking about? How it has like a steam,
like it's good for a minute.
like an acidic taste kind of thing?
It's kind of good for a minute, and then it tastes like floury.
Oh.
Ew.
I like it.
Okay. My first and last, probably, moment of tasting the batter. So
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for watching. We need more suggestions. We'll kind of do anything. If you have, life advice you want us to answer.
Because don't let this fool you. We are chock full of life advice.
We have it all together.
We have everything together.
So that would be fun, wouldn't it? To be advice people. Let's try that. Let's try that. Okay. We'll see ya.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.